Although wired headphones and earphones are still widely available, these usually occupy the extreme ends of the price segment. You can get high-end audiophile grade headphones, or on the other hand, you can get affordable in-ear earphones meant for use with budget smartphones. Everything else in between is largely wireless right now, and that particularly applies to the popular true wireless segment, which is where much of the action is. With value for money and the overall experience in mind, here are our top headphones and earphones for 2020. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post a new video. While the Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless active noise cancelling headphones look largely the same as the XM3, significant changes under the hood make all the difference here. With class-leading active noise cancellation, LDAC Bluetooth codec support, a tried and tested design, and useful features such as speak to chat, this is the most technically advanced and capable pair of headphones you can buy today. Although expensive at 29,990 rupees, the Sony WH-1000XM4 delivers the kind of experience that completely justifies its premium pricing. There aren't too many new launches in the budget wireless earphone segment, but the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z stood out this year. At 1,999 rupees, this is among the best value for money offerings in the segment right now, giving premium build quality, excellent battery life, very fast charging, and decent sound. If you aren't too enamored by the idea of the true wireless form factor, this is the best wireless headset to buy right now for less than 2,000 rupees. Our top pick among true wireless earphones comes from a brand you may not even have heard of, and that's what makes this so special. The Lipotech Tevi is an impressive true wireless headset that offers a lot for 6,999 rupees, including support for the Qualcomm aptX Bluetooth codec, class-leading battery life, IPX7 water resistance, and sound quality that far exceeds many headsets even twice the price. While the sound quality wasn't perfect at high volumes with a bit of shrillness to be heard, and the earpieces didn't always latch into the case securely. Those things aside, there isn't much else to complain about. This is a very good pair of true wireless earphones that puts the focus squarely on musicality and natural sound quality as it should be. For completely uninterrupted wireless listening, you need full-size headphones, and the Jabra Elite 45H goes above and beyond in this department. With a battery life of around 50 hours per charge in our test, the Jabra Elite 45H simply does not need to be charged very often. This can be particularly useful if you tend to forget to charge your headphones or need them to keep going for hours at a stretch. There is a USB Type-C charging port, and sound quality and design are also decent for the price. Although officially priced at 9,999 rupees, the Jabra Elite 45H is often available for much less online, making this a good value for money offering as well. It might have been difficult to imagine too much from a budget pair of true wireless earphones till recently, but the Oppo Enco W51 has proven us wrong. This pair of true wireless earphones has a proper in-canal fit, active noise cancellation, wireless and USB charging, and decent sound quality, all for the price of 4,999 rupees. At this price, this is the best equipped pair of earphones we've reviewed this year. This is by no means the perfect pair of true wireless earphones even for the price. However, the detailed sound and the addition of active noise cancellation and other useful features makes the Oppo Enco W51 well worth it. The wireless revolution has meant that mainstream wired headphones and earphones are usually very affordable options, and one particular headset has stood out in this segment for this year. That is the Mi dual driver earphones. Priced at 799 rupees, this 3.5mm wired headset comes with a microphone and inline remote, a unique dual dynamic driver setup, and very good sound quality for the price. Having two dynamic drivers in each earpiece meant that the bass was sometimes excessive, which can be a good or bad thing, depending on how you like your music. However, the Mi dual driver earphones are technically and physically the best you can buy for the price and impossible to ignore if you have a budget of less than 1000 rupees. These were my picks for the best headphones and earphones in 2020. Did any of your favorite headsets make it to the list, or are you planning to pick up something based on the recommendations we made today? Let us know via the comments, and for all things tech, head on over to gadgets360.com.